Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a text field and tapping the keyboard area. Do that now. Once done, choose Portrait for single hand or rotate to Landscape for more keys and visibility. Make sure autocorrect and predictive text are enabled in settings so mistakes are fixed and suggestions speed typing. You'll learn why these features matter. They reduce errors and cut keystrokes. Keep your thumbs relaxed. Position the phone at chest height for natural wrist angle, and start with a simple sentence to calibrate speed. You now focus on technique. Practice swipe or gesture typing to link letters in one continuous motion. It feels odd at first, but it's faster. Once comfortable, use long press on letters to access accents, numbers, and punctuation that avoid switching layouts. Also, learn spacebar gestures. Tap and hold to move the cursor precisely, or double space to insert a period and a space automatically. These steps reduce interruptions, so your flow stays intact, and your messages feel intentional. And to finish, scan the predictive bar and tap suggestions to accept corrected words. If autocorrect misses, press backspace, then select the right option. Once done, use voice input for longer drafts or when hands are busy. Speak punctuation aloud for accuracy. If the keyboard lags or freezes, restart the keyboard app or clear its cache in settings. That usually resolves performance issues. One tip: if keys jump, toggle autocorrect off briefly and type deliberately. Then re-enable it once stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.